Yay! Madayo eh.
Naka-ano dito, yung nakatayo dyan, yung naka-sit up dyan, imba yan. Yung nandun sa kabila, malamang si Lucy ako. Sila kasi dito pala.
Bakit po?
Okay, so habang sinisipan yung mga bilayo, discuss ko naman yung ating mga dolphins. Ayan, so meron tayong 7 patternose dolphins here at Social Adventures. 1 spotted dolphin, 1 rounded dolphin, and 1 false killer whale. Okay, so unahin na natin yung false killer whale. Okay, so we have Tongka. So Tongka here is approximately 15 to 17 years old. Then, lalaki mo siya. Then, we want to rescue false killer whale from Japan, along with our battlenose dog.